Check out our newest feature release. Now you can add free courses inside of communities. So, what is this new update all about? Well, our CRM introduces seamless integration of free courses right inside of communities. This allows users to effortlessly create and add complementary educational content within their community platform. Why this matters and how it's going to help you within your business. With this new feature update, you're going to be able to enrich your community experience by offering free courses directly within your platform. You'll also be able to easily add free courses to your community in a simple, straightforward way. This new feature allows you to seamlessly combine community interactions with educational content. So let me show you exactly where to access this and how to utilize this new update. We need to be under course creation. So to get there, I want you to click on membership within your left-hand navigation. And when that upper navigation opens up, go ahead and click courses, and in the drop-down menu, select products. Now to create a new product, simply click plus create product and pick a product template. Go ahead and start building that template out, everything that you would normally do within a course. Of course, you're going to need to remember to name your product. You'll be adding lessons, subcategories, and any assessments that you'd like. And go ahead and preview the course so you know it's functioning the way you want it to. Now for the community connection and setup. Go ahead and go to communities within that same upper navigation menu and click on groups, and now click plus create group. You're going to go ahead and customize all of those group details, the group name, the URL, the description, and the branding. Don't forget that you need to have a subdomain that's under settings and subdomains within the communities area. Now, to access your community, go ahead and log in directly by clicking the login button on that community. The next thing that I want you to do is go ahead within that community and add a course. What you're going to click on is the Learning tab within that community. It's at the top of your screen in the center. Now you're going to go ahead and add a course to your community. You're going to see this pop-up button of plus add course, and you're going to go ahead and click that. Now go ahead and choose the free course that you created, select a course, select the course access, and type free. Now go ahead and click add course. Your free course is now added, and members can access that directly at no cost. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.